Cé bhfuil dúna Mainistreach séach le ceannis chaantaí Phort Láirge thuiscint ní Láirge heló go dtí seo bhóchant. An Láirge ó starban amach a going accounts na fórnamáíochtas fear sa tír, champagne na héir an fefe dó Baile Mhic Gonair. Má darmad donacha a haman trátrachta.
Philin Shane O'Sullivan, bhí ar filmrúd an glyfa le Ceannais inne agus beis a gimmer sin chuigú glyfa Ceannais déog. Tá arró an ditagus a dtíine lán tosach bei Patrick Fitzgerald a tosú an Arch Cormac Power ach neartaí agus golóir Buaicphointí anseo Gonair. Máidir le dúna Mainistreach? Well, bei siad súil go féidir le Conor Prunty action íana mar lán cholaí is Michael Kiely an captain mar lán tosach níl má gamraí tosaí bei ón Kiely sihanna áitsúd. Arthur, smooth draw ball in shot. Challenge project in Kenny Moccasin. On a power thrust to the Paddy Levy. Paddy Levy lahu culture to she force on. Going to put the rations again to the Mainistreach. There's a love look at the reach on Ober. That's show what if it's going to resource the end. Who's good there? She'll put the thrust. She'll have a reach on the Ronan Power. She'll give her just a nice again now. Austin Ronan, the goalie. Screaming to Leha. Colin Broig, Ronan Power. Watching Desi Al Ilan Harvey Gary Desi Action Dobbery Gale von Driador Shaw. That's Ishul Butcher Trust the Gornell. Kieran Chelov all Rish on over Gentigine Kenny. Kind of going to cost there is fire that will on. The Noshun to Nima Trot or for Targa. Mikey Mahaninish, Scoop Mahaga or Thief. Shane O'Sullivan, a fan of Thief Ken in the Porca. Just a Gornell, Fotjoy, Kevin Mahoney-ish, Kevin Mahoney, Chatamach, Illini's Fark Crohe, Kevin Harrod Faston, Cluiche at Alling, Cluiche, Hodaskena. That's a butcher Ceannais. Or they go hauling and training Porrick Mahoney. Porrick Chatamach, Africa one or a goal, Iruk the one, agus score a one. Tíomhna agus dúna Mainistreach, Ceannais Contera, dúna action Cintiana. Yes, Dochas on top of the Darla shop. Barry Cocklinson, Shelf Cotta again. Ronan Power, G. Helvo Denterson come out. Fecker Brood on tacht. For the Michael Kiely Nish, Kiely Bulgers and Tablina, Fear Gardo, Irid Fishnol, August Irid creating Michael Kiely. Can't go scoring none lay. Garnigan for Jerashik, Paddy Levy Reach. Paddy and Thompson has to go in the Fecker Lucia, Fecker Spórt, Fecker Lucia. Shaggy Kevin Mahoney, Kevin Aguirre, Elu, Brian Loby. Brian Loby, O'Connell, Tim Mohawk, Ní Laura Schindler, Kevin Mahoney, Gimmert, Marathon, Leona. Butcherstach. The gentle Ronan Power Shear. Philip Banny, Shear, Stephen O'Keefe. Kecho minutes Thomas Treasures in a row. Stephen Agus Cadmore, Mead, Father, Motiruk, the Inchi Drovinica, Gentle Tom Shop. Hepburn, Lister, Ordo, Jen, Porrick Manny, Father Talon, Desi, Nish. Asha Sassel, Cooley, Nella. Desi Galush, Desi Ishel, Desi, just a goal. Shelton Iruk, within second turn up. Agus and Faith Cole, Agus, being cool to the top. Watching Stephen O'Keefe. Henri Kudulish. Will Jack on Thort free score. Major go well. Tasha Brandon is brook. Tashi Butch to Father. Tashi Butch Ord. August. Tashi Butch out of Traston. Ex Stephen O'Keefe. Ahar Philip Porrick. Kevin Agus Mikey Brando. Chin. Catching Christamach. Fotjoy Fech a brew at chat. Morris Power Chin brew damage to put her Tiaviga. Pass chance of Rain Welch, trusting with Charlie Train, Charlie Cunyan Hewen, again Kenny Gujisha, Charlie and Tom Shaw, Ord, August Charlie out of Traston. A shade score. That's Ishul Butza. Willie Burns for the John Gamahanish, Butza Roy good, Charlie Train. Train trusting Morris Power up Bull Ord, Morris Power out of Traston, and Toosby Tastal, Ogunamon Chucks the Darla. Stephen O'Keefe for the Macher, Heaven Love with Jesha. Paddy Lee reached Paddy. Scoop leis Lobháin or Gumán Mach Ronan Power Nish Ronan Bannon Suas. Pan Spásiste. Tá sé fáte seán sé Kevin Mahoney, tá contour to Seán, gona Mainistreach, Kevin Mahoney Trasca G Desi Bunta, Táil Jedi Lair Power, Fós Trasachin, Kieran Schlitter Orlo, Neil tá sé watching Patrick Fitzgerald, Patrick Garrett Trasca, just made over Cole, Tasha is made over Cole, agus Mastua Binchin. Me or a goal bar, mar se Táil so Irit Desi, ach jin bhí gá hansig de Cossentory, a Schlitter Ordo, níor lach siad an chance, agus nach iad a díocas. Doing the Mainistreach. Agudí Chela Fota Aka. Fota Rashig. Morris Power. Willie Beresford on. Willie Beresford. Irit Mór Ord. Stehig Willie Beresford. Oh, but don't gentic Stephen O'Keefe. Agus Michael Kiley said, oh, it's cart. Cool. Score it. And Rudas on of his in toch. But don't gentic Stephen O'Keefe. And Irit Ord. Peter Gur Frabshi. Tírach on Drumclan Nuachin and Akon Cool. Glantamach Stephen O'Keefe. Richard and Titzmanish. Tower Shear. Guybrush Litter, unfortunately Conor Prunty. Tá Conor Lena Carrick Guig Hain for Stephen O'Keefe. Colin O'Wan the Master Gaidla. Tá Cano and Father Mackena. Fortune Conor Prunty. Bernard Lloyd the good day. Stephen is a Buckamach. What's a hard bar, Johnny Porrick Mahoney. Gimmert hard bar, Fadam Leona. Sheer Johnish, Tyke Foley, Amig Tyke, and Irit the Vows. But Hugdo on the wall of the gunner and Irit the Vow. She's the hard ins, but she's just a going in Lish, Desi Gullishtach. Desi a Casa Balaguan, a Casa Rash, or just the Gamun Minnick. The Port Láirge the Baile Mhic Gonair, score all in Ella. Hach Darava sausage, Major the Fecking, Dora Sullivan. Mainistreach Chatrish Cantor Corragadi, Michael Kiley, Gazette, Haringi Shear, Barry Coughlin, Phort the Buaicphointí Barry Coughlin, Tamarudagur, wanted to cut the Bahan. After Lishnish, Michael Kiley, Casabella, he shall shot the goal like Michael Kiley. Coming his far at learn the score, far here, good Mainistreach, should have made, done, she just a guy to Joseph Darla. Porrick Mahoney reached, Drocklana, Fotic Porrick, Brandon Shannon Brook. Agus he puts Ord, Colleen over a hand jogging Porrick Mahoney. Is that? No, Intoch Elle, Baile Mhic Gonair. And Modular Power, dan had ook Jernach shit, Thomas Welch. Dan Eno Urdeog en Ichele. En Kern Newsenstar, Butze, Baile Mhic Gonair.
You know, when you look back at all the finals that we played, this one coming up to Flower Field, it's a little bit different. I think it's only our second final that we played on Flower Field, and obviously we knew there'd be a big home crowd. It's a tight pitch here, you know, it's kind of a great atmosphere here today, so we knew what to expect coming up here, and we knew we needed to be at our very best if we were going to come out victorious here. And you know, it's everyone that we spoke about during the week, we produced it there on the pitch, and it's always extra satisfying when you do that. People are probably, you know, looking at the team saying, right, is the hunger still there? Will they go through it? If the questions are asked them, will they have the answers? And there is always a little bit of doubt in the back of your own mind, is the hunger still there? And you know, no better place to show it. You know, we need this break more than anyone here now for the next couple of weeks. Completely switch off and get the bodies right. There's a lot of injuries in the group and they need to clear up. You know, if you're going to be competitive in a Munster Championship, you need to go in with your full deck as fit as possible. So definitely recharge for the next couple of weeks and then we'll go for